Hi, my name is Ruju, and I am going to discuss about my lesson planning, which I have made for grade second, and my the subject of my planning is math. So the setting of my classroom is that I have 21 kids in my class, and among them 7 kids are GT kids, who are mostly independent in math subjects. 3 kids in my class are resource kids who gets in class support with the help of my another friend, paraprofessionals. And students in second grade are usually capable of analyzing the two to three step um, of word problems. So I have like a mix uh, group of kids in my class. So the standard of my lesson planning is that my kids can use a problem solving model that incorporates analyzing given information, formulating a plan strategy, determining a solution, justifying the solution, and evaluating the problem solving process and the reasonable of the solution. So my goal through my planning is to um, make sure that my planning is under the standard level of takes and mm, student friendly with the student friendly language. And I hope student will be able to uh, demonstrate their ability with my planning. So my planning is in English language. So I hope my kids will be able to read the question and answer them in um, mm, answer themselves individually. And like I said, I have some resource kids which need help with their writing, and my ICS help friend will ICS provider will help them with the needed help. So the most important thing kids need to remember in my equations uh, is that they need to understand like how giving away makes uh, how giving away defines subtraction, and taking more or adding up more defines adding in the equation. So my strategies for supporting all learners is that um, I'm going to recall basic facts to add and subtract within 20 with automaticity, such as getting more and gives away system. Like I said earlier, they will understand the concept of getting more to add and giving away to subtract. So the resources and materials I have, I'm going to provide is I'm going to ensure all resources and materials are grade level appropriate and aligned with the objectives. Include specific links and one two sentence describing each of my questions. I'm going, and before giving kids any equations or any of my questions, I am going to fully describe them and demonstrate them how to do questions before I actually give them the real questions. So for each of the section of the lesson, I'm going to focus on timestamps and break down each section into smaller chunks. For each chunk, I'm going to ask myself that what will this task takes, question or activity cause students to think about. Will they be able to think this way and figure out what the question is actually asking about? And I am going to engage I'm going to try to help kids engage in most of the important thinking. I will include the specific effortful thinking prompts and protocols I will in each section. I am going to review an equity lens. How do I affirm, support, and challenge all the learners throughout the lesson? And of course, I'm going to use discipline specific instructional procedures in this section. So, in this lesson planning, I have also included the irretrievable practice, which also known as warm-up, focus, launch, engage, or connecting the dots. I am a number of I am going to give idea to the kids how they can use number and operations. The students can apply mathematical process standard to develop and use strategies and methods for whole number computations to solve addition and subtraction problems with efficiency and accuracy. And I will try to make them clear with some of the examples that I'm going to do in front of them to teach them how to think for the solution and how they can compute the equations. So my content basically my lesson basically contains explicit step to describe the instructional procedures for this lesson, and I am going to add up to four two-digit numbers and subtract two-digit numbers using mental strategies and algorithms based on knowledge of place value and properties of operations. And like in case of my absence, I am going to make a clear note that my substitute can use them while she is working with my kids without me being there, but my instruction is a fully help for them to help my kids. And if students can use 100 chart or other manipulatives if needed for them equation. I'm going to have enough visual aids and manipulatives in my class so that my kids can use them if needed. We will be working on 2-3 step word problems with any addition and subtraction this week, and that, like I said, I'm going to give them fully practice on it. Assessment of this lesson will be when a child if when a child shows me correct answers through multiple mathematical methods in many equations, I will know that each individual child has gained the information from this lesson, and what did the child do to show his level of mastery. At the end of second weeks, I can give some questions. I can give some students some sets of questions and test them on how they will generate answers and present themselves, so that I can know that students have learned or something still to get learn.